Welcome back with my new video. Today I'm going to upgrade Dell Inspiron 15 3511 laptop. So to begin with, to get in, we're going to use some Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to take out all the screws. Then I'm going to upgrade this 8GB RAM and a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive, or you can install a 2.5-inch SATA SSD. I'll start with this side, and I just used my tool to just slide down, and twist it just slightly and continue to the left hand side. For this you can use plastic card or old bank card. So a quick overview on what we have here. This is a cooling system. So here is on NVMe SSD. And we have two RAM DIMM slots here. And this is the 3-cell battery, speaker, and internal SATA hard disk drive enclosure. Also, you can upgrade the Wi-Fi module if you like. Before doing anything, disconnect the battery over here. To remove, slide like this, and slide it across just slightly, and then just be able to pull down. To install NVMe SSD you have to remove this screw, and remove this cover, then reap this SSD here. Here I'm not changing SSD. Then we are going to install RAM right here. When you go to install it, line it up with a notch, then slide that in, push down notches, so it shoots up. Make sure those copper pins are hidden. This is very straightforward. Pull these two tabs here out, and it should flick up like this. Now time to install SATA hard drive. First remove enclosures, then using these 4 screws, install a hard drive or SSD to the enclosure. After installing the hard disk, connect the SATA cable. This laptop supported up to 2 TB SATA hard drive or SATA SSD. Then reconnect the battery, which is fairly straightforward. Slide like this, slide it across just slightly. So now all that's really left is to simply reassemble laptop cover. See you in the next video. Thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.